Good afternoon, bantu banjye. Good afternoon, my people. Bantu banjye, my people. Good afternoon. I greet you. I greet you. I greet you. I greet you in Jesus' name. Mbashuhuje mu izina rya Yesu. Ndabashuhuje. I greet you in Jesus' name. You Christian. Mwebwe ba Kristo. You Christian. Christian. You Christian. I greet you in Jesus' name. Okay. Ndabashuhuje mu izina rya Yesu. I'm late. Nakererewe. I'm late. Nakererewe. Come back. Ndagarutse. Come back. I'm late. Nakererewe. Come back. Ndagarutse. So today, uyu munsi I have to say a little words. Today I have uyu munsi mfite to say kuvuga a little words. The little words. Little words. Amagambo make. Word ijambo. Word. Yabaye amagambo aba words. Okay. Word ijambo. Words amagambo. Okay. Today I have to say a little words. Uyu munsi mfite kuvuga amagambo make. So but ariko imbakumbuye. I missed you. Narabakumbuye. I missed you. Narabakumbuye. I missed you. Narambakumbuye. But I miss you. Okay, but I miss you. I miss you. But I miss you. That I miss you. Okay, I miss you. I missed you. Ryabanga nyine. I miss you. Ukabivuga wihuta noneho ukabirya nyine ukabishyira hariya. I miss you. But I miss you. Niyo mpamvu nyine bavuga ntitubumve. Niyo mpamvu. Ntubyumva se. Okay, but I miss you. Okay, but I miss you. Narimbakumbuye ariko narimbakumbuye. Today we have to speak a little word as I told you. Nkuko nababwiye as I told you. Nkuko nababwiye as I told you. Nkuko nababwiye last time. Igihe cyatambutse, igihe cyahise. We have seen, twabonye. Last time we have seen, igihe cyahise twabonye the greetings. Ndamukanye. That's why I start. Niyo mpamvu ntangiye. I start. Niyo mpamvu ntangiye. That's why I start. Okay, niyo mpamvu ntangiye in greetings. Mu ndamukanyo. Mu ndamukanyo. In greetings. Mu ndamukanyo. Okay. Today we have to speak about to say greetings again, but nyine yo maze nyine ariko okay, but repeat it. Okay, ugasubiramo. Ariko we have to say goodbye. Okay, last time we have say hello. Today we have to say goodbye. Okay, goodbye. when you tell someone goodbye, umuba uri kumusezera uti murabeho, murabeho, goodbye, murabeho, goodbye, murabeho, good night. Good night, ijoro ryiza, ijoro ryiza, urare neza, good night, good night, good sleep, sinzire neza, good sleep, sinzirare neza, goodbye, good night, goodbye, good evening, umugoroba mwiza, mwiriwe, good night, muramuke, muramuke, cyangwa ijoro ryiza, muramuke, good night, good night, okay, good night, good night, good night. Niyo mpamvu nyine baba tipe baza katubwira ntitwumve, okay, but we have to hear, dufite kumva, we have to hear, okay, that's where. So video yacu iracyari kuba ngufi, ariko bizagira gute, bizakura. Nk'ubu byo nabateguriye ndabigabanije kuko igihe kibaye gito. We will see next time, ubutaha, next time, we will see, tuzareba, we will, tuzareba, next time, we will see next time, we'll see next time, we'll see next time, we'll see next time, ubutaha, last time ni igihe cyashize, next time ni igihe kizaza. Goodbye, good night, sleep well, sinzire neza. Thank you so much for following me, okay, murakoze kunkurikira, Imana ibahe umugisha, God bless you, 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 okay, Imana ibahe umugisha.